Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install mongoDB onto your Windows operating system, and also download the mongoDB Compass, which is an interactive tool for querying, optimizing and analyzing the mongoDB data. So for downloading the mongoDB, just go to your favorite browser and just search for download mongoDB. So just search for download mongoDB and just go to this first link from mongodb.com. So mongodb community server download. And if you just scroll down, so you will be able to see the version 7.0 at the time of recording this video, and just click on download. So this will download for Windows. So once this MSI file is downloaded, so let me just show in folder. So if you just double click onto this MSI file, so this should open this installer. So just click on next and just accept the license agreement. Just click on next, just click on complete. And so also, this should install the mongodb service. So whenever you open your computer, so this should start the mongodb service. So just click on next, and so this will also install the mongodb Compass, which I have said before is an interactive tool for querying. So let me just install that and click on next. So just click on install. So this should now install the mongodb and also the mongodb Compass as well. So here just click on yes.
One eternity later.
So here you can see, so it has automatically started the mongodb Compass as well, and the installation is successful. So let me just click on finish and just click on start to start the mongodb Compass. So from here, so we can just click on connect, and inside here, so you can see, so these are the default databases which are given by mongodb. And if I just click on got it and click on plus sign here, so from here you can create the new database. So let me just call it demo database, and you just need to give the collection name. So let me just keep something like student and just click on create database. So here you can see, so this has created the collection student and the demo db database. So if you just click on add data and insert document, so from here you can just click on insert to add new data into the database. So similarly, so if you want to run your mongodb onto the shell, so for that we just have to download the mongodb shell as well. So let me just close this one and also close this one, and so you can just search in Google, search for download mongodb and just type shell. So just click on this mongodb shell download. So if you just go down here, so you can see the option for downloading the zip file. So just click on download. So let me just go into the downloads folder, and if I just right click and click on extract all, so this should extract the file. So we don't want to extract it here, so we just want to extract inside the mongodb, which we have just installed before. So just click on browse, and so let me just go into the local disk C and inside the program files. So here you just need to search for mongodb. So you can see the mongodb which we have just installed. So inside here, let me just select the folder, and so let me just extract inside here and click on continue. So here you can see the mongodb shell has been extracted here. So let me just go inside here, go inside the bin, and we just need to set this path into the environment variable. So for that, just click here and you just need to copy this path and go into the search here and search for edit system environment variable. So just click here and just click on environment variables here, and if you just go into the system variable, so you can see the path here. So just double click on that and click on new and paste that path which we have just copied, and click on OK and click on OK again. So let me just click on OK, and let me just close everything from here. And now if I just close here and open the command prompt, so just type command prompt. So now if I just type mongosh and just click enter, so this should now open the shell here. So you can see, so the mongodb has been opened in the shell. So now from here as well, so you can just create the database or also show the databases which you have created. So let me just show something like so dvs and just click enter. So here you can see the demo DB which I have just created, and these are the default databases. So this is how you can also install the mongodb cell into your Windows machine. So thank you so much for watching. This is how you can download and install mongodb and mongodb compass onto your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.